This is what he's taken off the veranda already, just here. The gate and a few other cross pieces. Hope you can see that. And there's the caravan still in one piece at the moment, and a whole bunch of junk. And I'll take you over here. Now, the veranda, it's because they had all the weedies on it, is actually not so bad. There's only the piles, like in the corner here, these pieces here are pretty bad here. He's taken the top off and whatever, but these uprights are pretty good, are pretty solid, these things here, nothing wrong with them. So a few of these under pieces here, which he doesn't really want to touch at the moment, because he's not going to do too much along here. And there are a few, like this one here, looks like it's dropped or something. I asked him about that and he said he'll look at it. That one there and that one there, but he says he's not into piles, but it doesn't look like it's the piles, it looks like it's just dropped there. And the back here, he wants to put some new steps on across here, but he's only going to be putting on stuff. He's not going to be doing very much. And this is the side of the house, looks pretty good, nothing wrong with that. This is mainly just the problem here is the deck, but it's not all that bad, I don't think. So he's only going to do, he only needs a bit of wood for the top here, I assume, and I don't know what else he wanted the other bit there, that's still pretty solid. He's going to keep the ones that he can keep. That's the new internet there. So I think that's it, there's not much else. Around here is alright, it's only the deck at the moment. I hope you get this. Okay, I'm switching